Hi, Explain Dad here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to back up your iPhone. Make sure you stay to the end of the video so you don't miss any important steps, and make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Let's begin. First thing you do is go to Settings, press Settings, go to the top, go to Apple ID, your iCloud, press on iCloud and just go down to iCloud Backup. Press on this button and then it will take you to this screen. So if you want to make an iCloud backup, it automatically backs up your iPhone so you can restore your data. If you lose your device, we get a new one. You see two different phones. So whenever your device is backed up by iCloud, you can use the backup to restore information instead of a new device. And you see at 11.4 gigabytes and 10.5 gigabytes. And you see that the last successful backup was today at 1:28. So if you want to, normally it will do it automatically, but if you want to do it manual, you can press on backup now and then it will make a backup right at this moment. And this is how to back up your iPhone.